Mic check one. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. I'm coming to you today with another creator tool that I use. I want you guys to see if you can tell the difference. So listen to my voice now, although it's a little hoarse, and I've been waiting to show you guys this, but anyway, my voice is a little bit better. But what I'm speaking of, there's nothing better than having a clear video, and a video where the audio is awesome, where you can always hear the creator no matter if they turn left or right or what have you, or if they step away from the camera a tad bit. So I wanted to show you guys what came in this box. This is what I'm talking about. This is a mic that I ordered. It comes with two mics, which is what I love, because if you have someone else that's joining you on the channel in the same, in the same room, you could give them one, you can have one, and that way one person's voice isn't more clear than the other. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this for you guys. Just that quick. Here you go. It's for your iPhone. They are wireless, so they connect to your shirt, your lapel, whatever you're wearing. You don't have to worry about a wire running from your phone to this. And so I'm going to go ahead and pop it on and see if you guys can tell the difference. Let's go. Okay, so I've gotten it open. This is what they look like. I love the size of them. Some people may want some even smaller. I love the fact that you do see them. And give me one moment. Please note that if your mic is going dead during a live, that you can still charge it without stopping. This is the wire, I'm sure, to recharge them, which will be very, very important. Yes, here they are. You do get two in there, so that's good. You're not having to wait for one mic to charge and then put the other on. You can get them charged at the same time. There is a pamphlet in here on how to install and start using it. Here is the piece for your phone. So once you put that in there, then you'll be able to, you want to put that in there anytime that you're utilizing them. Here's the piece that goes in the bottom of your phone when you're ready to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and get that installed, and then I will let you all see the quality of the mic. Okay, something that I learned, guys, is don't try to figure out how does it sound while you're trying to hook it up. You're not going to know until you actually start recording. So like right now, you guys should be able to tell the difference. I can't, but y'all know I have to pause the video, play it back so I can hear if it's worth sharing with you guys. So another thing I wanted to check out, so I have no mic on, right? I wanted to check out so that you guys, to see if you guys see the difference when you're speaking and you happen not to be directly in front of your camera and you turn around, how does it sound? Versus if you have on your mic and then you start to turn around, do you lose sound at all, or does it still sound equally as good? That is so very important, and that is the reason that I'm sharing this product with you guys. It does come with two mics. It comes with two chargers as well. And if you feel as though my video sounds a lot better, go ahead and go over to my Amazon store. I either put things under as seen on TikTok, or I will put it under creator devices. Okay, something about creators. So I will make sure I link that. And then also for those who don't like to actually, click here, click there, I will also try to link it and pin it in my comments. You guys, thanks for checking this out with me. I hope it sounds a lot better. Let a girl know how it sounds down below. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and go check it out. Be better to yourself tomorrow than you were today. And y'all know it's never goodbye. I'll see y'all later. So I want to see if you guys can tell the difference. in my voice. It does not seem to be doing anything to me.